Chasing a Dodge at 140 miles an hour, the stolen Chevy was sent to the ditch, and a Suburban that was pushed into a tree. On December 5th, 2024, at approximately 15:38 hours, I was advised that Baxter County Sheriff's Office was looking for a vehicle that had just been stolen from a residence on County Road 69. A deputy located the stolen vehicle traveling southbound on State Highway 5. The deputy attempted to stop the vehicle, and it fled from the deputy and was able to get away. As I was traveling south on State Highway 5 to assist a deputy, they advised that they spotted the vehicle now traveling north on State Highway 5 near the Dollar General. As I caught up to the vehicle, it continued to flee, turning right onto US Highway 62 at the 412 bypass. Traveling eastbound on the bypass, the vehicle reached speeds over 100 miles per hour.
We're headed east on the bypass. I don't know which way you went to bypass. Okay, which way did you go? Headed 60. He is eastbound on the bypass.
Direct here, I'm 19 from you.
He's 97 by traffic.
Confirmed, so.
Yeah, 10 4, they were taking over. Coming up on those screws. Perfect right behind you.
I attempted to stop the fleeing vehicle using a TVI intervention technique, but was unsuccessful. After confirming traffic was clear, I attempted another TVI but was unsuccessful. The vehicle continued to flee again, reaching speeds of 100 miles per hour as the vehicle approached the intersection with Charles Blackburn Drive.
Coming up on Charles Blackburn. He's wrecked out. I rolled over. Rolled it right here before you hit Charles Blackburn. Just can't give me anything.
I performed a TVI, causing the vehicle to run off the right side of the roadway and overturn. The suspect was ordered from the vehicle and taken into custody without further incident. The suspect was identified as Mr. Vincent Walrath. An ambulance was called to check out Mr. Walrath, where he was treated and transported to Baxter Health for minor injuries.
Get more badge. We got more guys.
The Saline County Sheriff's Office requested assistance with a vehicle pursuit near Hensley. Sergeant Preter and Deputy Walls were the officers involved in the pursuit. I joined the vehicle pursuit on US 167 near Spring Lake Road and was able to become primary in the pursuit. The driver of the vehicle was driving extremely reckless while swerving from lane to lane. I positioned my patrol car near the fleeing vehicle and attempted to perform a vehicle intervention.
Going for TVI, stand by. We're still 67, TVI, just out the woods. Roll over. Central start pattern.
11 Little Rock.
I repositioned my car on the passenger side of the suspect vehicle and was able to perform a TVI. The vehicle traveled off the south shoulder and overturned. The front seat passenger was ejected during the vehicle overturning. The driver exited the vehicle and fled on foot down a gravel road that parallels the highway. I chased the suspect on foot and he eventually stopped running. Saline County deputies placed him in custody for traffic and fleeing charges. The passenger was transported to St. Vincent Hospital in Little Rock for treatment. On December 10, 2024, at approximately 1:44 p.m., I, Trooper Verman, merged onto United States Highway 67 from the 48-mile marker on ramp to travel south. At this time, I observed the listed vehicle, a white 22 Dodge Challenger, traveling in the left lane. The driver, later identified as Mr. Dontarius Gordon, continued driving in the left lane for approximately 3 miles at or around 65 miles per hour. We quickly drove about 100 miles per hour. The speed limit on the freeway is 75 miles per hour. During this time, light traffic was present and the weather and road conditions were good. I reached approximately 130 miles per hour. Gordon continued to drive recklessly by passing cars well over 120 miles per hour, weaving in and out of traffic. As suspect was occupying the left lane at approximately the 42-mile marker, I began to move toward the rear of his vehicle in an attempt to conduct a TBI. At this time, I exited my vehicle and drew my service pistol. I began to commands to Gordon to show me his hands as he was exiting his vehicle from the passenger door. I then shouted, "Don't run!" to Gordon, and he disregarded this by running towards the right shoulder. I made sure no traffic was coming towards me, and I gave chase. I advised Troop B dispatch that Gordon was fleeing on foot. I caught up to Gordon approximately 20 yards from the vehicle. Soon after, State Trooper Parrish arrived on the scene to assist. Trooper Parrish placed handcuffs on Gordon without further incident. Gordon's misdemeanor charges are the following: no liability insurance, fleeing on foot, and resisting arrest. Thanks for your time, and have a great day.